Today, we shall be talking about teamwork, the fifth in our series of soft skills, another important skill in today's work environment. Let us first understand what are teams. Teams are a group of people that work together to achieve their goal. Teams normally have team members with complementary skills and generate synergy through a coordinated effort which allows each team member to maximize their strength and minimize their weaknesses. Now, let us understand how teams are built. Firstly, team members need to collaborate together for the common goal. Members are selected by establishing clear objectives for individuals as well as for the team. This stage is called as the forming stage. The next step is to establish processes and structures, build trust, and resolve conflicts. Here, team members define what they need to do to achieve the common goal. Individuals within the team brainstorm on various options and methods to proceed in the process. Here, conflicts may arise. Team members to resolve these conflicts by understanding each other's differences of opinion and bringing in common points to achieve the common goal. This is called the storming stage. Many teams collapse at this stage itself. The third stage in the team building process is when team members take charge of the situation and come together towards the predetermined goal. Here, team members socialize with each other and get to know about individuals in the group. They ask for help and seek constructive feedback during the process. Here, individuals start developing commitment towards the common goal. This stage is called as the norming stage. The last in the process is the performing stage where the actual show happens. Here, hard work achieves success and goals are accomplished. This is the time to celebrate achievements. This is to happen without much friction. Happens successfully when processes are set and structured and under the guidance of a good leader. So, how can this fantastic team be built such as that it does not fall apart in stage 2 but moves on and celebrates success till the stage 4? Here are a few key strategies for building synergetic teams. First, team members should have respect, trust, and compassion for each other. They should have a shared vision, a goal, and a value system. The belief that everyone is trying to achieve one goal is phenomenal, and this should always contribute to work as a team cohesively. A work environment that calls for getting results is more result oriented than what counts on to number of hours worked. This builds in team synergies and makes it dynamic to goal achievement. A layout, that is an office layout that encourages collaborations, effective communication, clear goals, is the one which helps teams to have good synergies rather than dull, dominant environment at work, which does not motivate team members to move towards the common goal. Meetings, productive meetings. Meetings with team members with strong agenda, welcoming brainstorming, time bound, and informative brings in more synergy, unlike teams which discuss haywire and do not close on time. Productive meetings encourage team members to remain focused towards attainment of their goals. Building a culture around the team encourages the team members to participate and achieve the common goal effectively. When we talk about synergy between team members, we must ensure to have an excellent work culture too. So, what does this team work culture include? Team work culture includes having a vision, staying committed to the goal, trusting team members, staying inclusive to team members and not sharing information outside, welcoming people of different cultures and backgrounds, having an open communication and expressing things in the right manner. These were just a few things upon how people collaborate as teams. We also talked about leaders who drive the team to achieve success. Leadership is another significant skill which we shall take up in our next video. Teamwork not only includes understanding team members, team spirit, collaborative achievement, letting go personal matters for common goal, but it also includes a lot of personality traits to relate to team members. It includes having a great interpersonal skill and developing a thought process which can help achieve common goals. We have a full course on soft skills where we teach in depth on team building and leadership skills as well. For more details, you can get in touch with us at the number on the screen or write to us at the given email ID. There, you shall understand more in depth on how teams are built, what keeps them going, how to define and structure processes to achieve the common goal. All this with a lot of engagement and activity, which can help individuals understand their skills and build on them to achieve better results. Lastly, I would like to conclude that teamwork is like a jigsaw puzzle. All team members are piece of this big puzzle. Every piece must fit itself in the right place to fix up the puzzle. Thank you.